Hi, thanks for joining us. I'm real excited today to present to you this 2019 RAV4 hybrid LE all-wheel drive. It's very rare we get any hybrids in, let alone a new one like this. This will be a rare find. Just over 22,000 kilometers, comes with a clean Carfax, and was an one-owner vehicle. Stick with me and we'll go inside and take a look at the interior of this now. So inside this RAV hybrid, we'll go over some of the features. You can see right on your steering wheel, it does come with your Toyota Safety Sense functions, so your dynamic radar cruise control as well as your lane departure assist. It does have your track buttons and your volume buttons as well as your Bluetooth functions there as well. It does come with power windows, power locks, and power mirrors. You can see the button for the automatic high beam there. It does come with heated seats on both the front driver and passenger side. You can see the USB right there close to the driver's seat, just for easily charging your phone. It does have the dual zone climate control. Nice big display unit. It is the home of your audio, your Bluetooth, and as well as your backup camera, as you can see there. Does come with some drivetrain options and does have that electric parking brake as well as the brake hold function, which is a great function. Great shape, cloth seats. These are big sellers, won't last long. We're going to take a look in the back of the RAV now. And this is the same with the gas engine. There is a ton of space in the back here. I mean, that's easily 4 or 5 hockey bags worth. As you can see, you got your spare tire under here, but you do also have those summer mats too. 60/40 split. That's standard on Toyotas. Hey, North London Toyota here. Thanks for sticking with me. If you'd like to book an appointment for a test drive on this 2019 RAV hybrid, which is pretty rare to find, call or text me at any hour at 226-268-3504. Or just come see me at North London Toyota at our new location at the corner of Highbury and Fanshawe Park Road. Just don't forget to ask for Troy. Thank you so much, everyone. I do look forward to working with you. Happy shopping.